Alright guys, last one here. Back to 50's 22nd of June 2024. Hope you enjoyed it. We're going to cruise along here. Head back the car. As you can tell, it was pouring when I got here. Bat toy, nice. Nice. They need a lot of water, dude. My feet are all wet. That's an out. I like that one. I like both. These are kind of cool. One guy in the YouTube channel that drives around one of these Woodies, 1940. Nice. Very nice. Kind of get I'll go down to my right down here. That's where they had her last time, Snow White, but there's some Bonneville convertibles down there one time. But she might be over on the other side over there, but I can't walk all the place looking for her. My knee is killing me. This one I recognize up here. He's Cadillac. He's been here before. Big boy. It is. It's a big Cadillac. It's an old school Cadillac. That's a nice. Those are kind of cool. Trailer. Wisconsin. No control this bad boy. Top down, ready to rock and roll. Got to put some pride. But I've seen it before. I can go in here, Classic Car Marketplace. I'm going here before we go home. All years, makes and models, no directs of the owner, no buyer commissions, no ID. So okay, go in here and see. I've been before. This is the sheep barn, Minnesota State Fair. We go in here and looking. A lot of them are for sale. Yeah, that's that boy. Nice. Hey, how you doing? It's on my shirt. There's a 65 Chevy right over there. Look at that boy. Yep. There it is. 65 Chevy. That right there. That's original. Interior. $50,000. Nice. The Chevelle. That bad boy. Ooh, and it goes. I'd buy that one tomorrow. Cadillac. Nice. 20 grand, I'd buy that one. Ooh, this bad boy. Chevelle. 59. 55 grand. Classic. 9 grand for that bad boy. Not bad. Ooh, I like, my brother had a 71 like that, but it wasn't a convertible. Nice. So all these are for sale. Very nice. Very nice. Oh yeah. All hopped up. Love the trunk. Galaxy. Very nice. Very nice. Saw that one video. It was in Tupelo, Mississippi. And the guy died and the wife sold all the cars. Great show. Nice.
The floors are mint. Really?
What is this, a Cuda? What is this?
That one is not brand new trail dive, never drove lights.
Nice.
Yeah, never been driven in the winter. Not spot.
Nice.
I look South, you know what the Fury is?
Plymouth Fury.
Oh, I'm Southern. I'm Southern.
Tribute. Nice, 50 grand, nice. Anyways, guys, Corvette. I like that one, Stingray. Only an 81 someday. 70 Stingray 70. 89 grand. Nice Torino. Sold, damn right. 18 grand, that's a steal. 18 grand, that's a steal. 18 grand, that's a steal. That's a steal. Beautiful car for 18 grand. That's money well spent. Now 25 grand. Nice. Nice Sebring. I used to have one. What year is this one? It's a 2000? Mine was 1999. 400. She passed away. Very nice. So, alright guys. Got more over there too as well, but I don't have time. So anyways guys. We'll finish it up with this one right here. There's more over there, but anyways guys. $22 grand for 1949. Are you kidding me? I'd buy that. Hell yeah, that's a good price. See, I think they're cool. Anyways, guys, got some girth. Want it? I'd buy it. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the 2024 Back to 50's. A lot of videos. So, see you in the next one. See ya.